अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर्स। पार्ट 4 वीडियो का है ह्यूमन राइट्स का, जो इस वीडियो में डिस्कस होगा। थ्रू अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस ऑफ एवोल्यूशन, मॉडर्न ह्यूमन राइट्स jurisprudence has crystallized into the three basic principles. Three basic principles are the principle of universal inheritance. Every human being has certain rights capable of being enumerated and defined, which are not conferred on him by any ruler, nor earned or acquired by virtues, but which inhere in him by virtue of his humanity alone. Second principle of inalienability: no human being can be deprived of any of those rights by the acts of any ruler. Democracy, even by the will of majority of the sovereign people. Third principle are the rule of law, where rights conflict with each other. The conflicts must be resolved by this consistent, independent, and impartial application of just laws in accordance with just procedure. An individual can seek human rights only in organized community, a state, or in other words, where the civil social order exists. Thus, the principle of protection of human rights is derived from the concept of man as a person and his relationship with an organized society, which cannot be separated from universal human nature. Human rights being essential for all-round development of the personality of the individuals in the society by necessarily protected and be made available to all individuals. They must be preserved, cherished, and defended if peace and prosperity are to be achieved. Human rights are the very essence of meaningful life, and to maintain human dignity is the ultimate purpose of the government. Kinds of human rights. In this topic we discuss about kinds of human rights. There are two kinds of human rights: civil and political rights, economic, social, and cultural rights. Civil and political rights. Civil rights and liberties are referred to those rights which are related to the protections of the rights to life and personal liberty. They are essential for a person so that he may live a dignified life. Such rights include right to life, liberty, right to privacy, freedom from torture, and right to own property. These rights, also known as a freedom from various political rights, may be referred to those rights which allow a person to participate in the government of a state. For example, rights to vote, right to be elected, and right to take a part in conduct of public affairs. Thank you so much.